What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Monday. So I decided to do something light and refreshing because we had a big old Mother's Day dinner and I just wanted something light. So today we are doing pan fried fish. It's totally different from like when you deep fried fish or you fry fish. This is done with butter. You let the butter get kind of brown, but don't burn it because it give it like this nutty flavor. And you only can really do this recipe with white fish. Now, if you don't know what white fish is, it's like a tilapia, which I'm using, or you could use like a cod or a bassa fish. That's considered a white fish. You know, look it up. You can research what white fish is. It cooks fast and easy, and it's a quick recipe. So let's get started. So I had some flour, which you're going to need some flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but I'm using my own seasoned flour. And you need whatever fish you choose. I got tilapia. You're one. Okay, for seasoning, you will season your fish just with some salt and pepper or lemon pepper or something like that. Again, since I'm using a seasoned flour, everything I need is in this season, in this flour. I'm not even going to season my fish. But you will need some unsalted butter and a lemon and some thyme. I don't have any fresh thyme, so I'm doing like thyme leaves in the bottle. So I'm going to turn my stove first of all on. Okay, my stove is lit. My pan is on a medium heat. And you know the butter has measurements. So for this, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. So that means I'm going to cut right here at this line. This is very helpful if you know what 2 tablespoons is. And make it very, very easy. I have about 4 pieces of fish here. So I'm gonna let that butter go into the pan. I wanted to melt, and I wanted to get brown but not burnt, but just like enough brown where you can see the brown of the butter, but it's not burnt, because I want that nutty flavor that you're going to get. And I'm also just making a light salad. I have some mixed greens here. I'm gonna add in some tomatoes, some eggs, some cheese. You know, I just want it real quick and simple. And I had some fruit. I think it's summertime, fruit tastes good. Strawberry, mandarins, watermelon in your salad. I love that. So I'm going to put this right here. And, you know, I'm just going to take my knife and spin this butter around. And I want it to get brown. So, guys, I'm going to talk about it. I have my stove on a medium high. I just want, as soon as I see it starting to turn brown, at this point while your butter is melting, you go ahead and season your fish. You know, again, some salt, some pepper, whatever seasons that you like, maybe some lemon powder, lemon pepper for your fish. Again, I'm using the seasoned flour. I don't have to season my fish. So I just want this to get like a brown to it. Just because I want that flavor. And I mean, this is a quick dish. It's easy. You guys are going to love it. And it don't really take that long for it to get brown. Okay, my guys, look at this. It's brown. It's the type of brown I want, but not burnt. See that? So now I'm going to take my fish, lightly coated. And you want to lightly coat it because it's a white fish and you don't want it to stick to the pan. So it's not like I'm deep frying it. I want a lot of flour. I just want a little light coat on it. That's it. And just shake it off because you don't want it to stick. You remember, you're not really frying it. And in it go. And my pan is big enough where I'm going to do 2 at once. And you can see the brownness of the butter. Again, this is a light flour. Lightly coat your fish. You just don't want it to stick because it's a white fish. And each side will take about maybe 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So we're going to let this cook like for maybe 4 minutes, come back, flip it, and let you guys see what it's going to look like on the other side in this butter. Okay, guys, it's been about 4 minutes. Let's flip this fish. Look at that. Beautiful. Lightly coated. This is a good fish. I love it. So while it's doing what it do on this side, it's lightly braided, lightly coated. I'm going to take a fresh lemon, and we're just going to cut it. And I should have cut down the middle. A couple of pieces. This is a big lemon too. I'm going to do about 4. Ooh, I messed that cut up, didn't I? And while that's cooking, just going to throw this lemon in there so we get that lemon taste, guys. Going to throw in put some thyme on there. Because it's herbs. And then when it's summertime, you know, spring, summer, you just want them herbs just all over the place. I'm just going to do one more cut. I want 4 pieces of lemon. Oh, this is a half a lemon. That's my half a cut. And I'm going to take some of this lemon juice and just go around the side right here. Man. Tell me it's not light. It's refreshing. It's light. I'm going to clean this mess up. It's going to taste good. You cannot beat this. And remember, a white fish, because this is a quick recipe, and any white fish that you may like, again, cod, bassa. I'm trying to think of some other white fish. Tilapia, a lot of people staying away from tilapia. I love it. Yeah. And you just want to like tilt your pan to get some of that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. And remember, this is cooking at least about 4 minutes. I did like 5 minutes on the other side, so I'm going to do about 5 minutes on this side. You want your fish nice and flaky. You don't want it dried out or anything. You want it to cook well. And yeah, and the thing about this too, once you cook the first pieces, you need a good non-stick pan. You can add some more butter if you're cooking a lot, but I'm only cooking these 2 pieces. And yeah. And it's so high it didn't stick, so you have to coat it. We'll be right back. When we just come back, it's going to be plated and done. Okay, guys, look at this. This is my pan-fried fish. It's nice and it's light, and you want to keep that lightness going. So I have me some mandarins, my fruit of choice today. A good green salad. I'm going to go ahead and dice up some eggs. And you can add anything you want to your salad. Cucumbers, you know, beets, anything you want, you know, to make it your own. In the summertime, really all year long, I prefer fruit. I just love fruit in my salad. We're going to throw in some tomatoes. I have here some grape tomatoes. Love a lot of tomatoes in my salad. Just going to throw a couple in there, just like that. Whatever dressing you like is up to you guys. And then, just to top it off, I have some cheese here. I'm just going to shred it, the top of this. Again, let's use some fettuccine, whatever type of cheese you want to boost your salad up. Gotta like a lot of cheese in my salad. That's enough. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle around just like that. And then just to top it all off, fruit. You could drain your fruit, but I pull a little bit of juice because guess what? I'm not using any dressing. That is wet as I want my fruit. This is my salad. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. And that's it, guys. I'm going to take this salad, put it on the side of this plate. That's it. That's all. It's quick, it's easy, it's refreshing. Your family is going to love this fish. It's not a deep fried fish. It's not coated with a lot of flour. It's simple and easy and quick. Cheese. So, lettuce. That's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Look, I'm cleaning up this now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come on over tomorrow and watch me do the mukbang for this. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, Soul Squad, I'm out.